Hey, welcome to AI Today and Tomorrow.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AI.
Can do that, but if it means
That could totally reshape classrooms.
sometimes even better. It could, but it didn't feel like it.
Imagine personalized AI tutors adapting.
Place them. It's not about creating a robot boss. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Today and Tomorrow. I'm Kasa, and joining us today.
And I'm Jamie. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're talking about something that's everywhere right now: artificial intelligence. The real possibilities, what it means for us, and where we go from here.
Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: the possibilities of AI and the way forward. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. From how we search online, to how we work, shop, learn, and even create AI is now woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. But where is this all going?
Exactly. AI's not just some far-off sci-fi thing anymore. It's in your phone, your car, your Netflix recommendations, even how your email filters spam, and it's moving fast. Diagnosing diseases, helping farmers predict crop yields, even composing music and art.
So let's talk possibilities. What's one area you think is super promising?
Education? For sure. Imagine personalized AI tutors adapting in real time to how you learn. That could totally reshape classrooms, especially in under-resourced places.
Yeah, or healthcare. AI is already being used to detect things like cancer earlier than traditional methods. That's game-changing.
Totally. And even boring stuff like logistics or scheduling, AI can optimize that and free people up to do more creative or meaningful work. Although, let's be real, there's a side to this that isn't just cool gadgets, and smarter software. AI is powerful, but it can go wrong if we're not careful. Think about biased algorithms in hiring or policing. And then there's privacy. Like, do we really want AI reading everything we write, say, or do?
Exactly. These systems are only as fair as the data and the people behind them. If the training data is biased, the outcomes will be too.
I think it starts with awareness. People need to actually understand AI, not just experts in labs. We need diverse voices, different backgrounds, experiences, cultures contributing to how AI is built and used. Also, some solid guardrails wouldn't hurt. Governments, companies, developers, we all need to agree on ethical standards and be transparent.
And we've got to remember that AI should help people, not replace them. It's not about creating a robot boss, it's about working with smart tools. The future of AI isn't written yet, and that's actually exciting. We get to shape it. But we've got to do it with our eyes open and our values clear. All right, that's it for today. Kindly hit subscribe, share it, or send it to that one friend who still thinks AI is a robot uprising waiting to happen. Catch you next time on AI Today and Tomorrow.